Welcome to day 71 of our vocabulary journey. Today's video is extra special because we're diving into words that can help you express ideas clearly, make arguments sound logical, and keep conversations sharp and concise. These 22 words will give you the edge in both academic writing and daily discussions. Let's unlock these essential vocabulary terms and elevate your English skills. But wait, before we dive into today's lesson, did you know that mastering these words can improve your communication in ways you never expected? Whether you're writing an essay or having a conversation, the right words can make all the difference. Stick around, and let's explore them together. Category 1. Memory and recall. Recollect, to remember or recall something from memory. Example, he could not recollect where he had left his keys. Evoke, to bring a memory, feeling, or image to mind. Example, the old song evoked memories of their childhood summers. Category 2. Shortening and simplifying. Abridge, to shorten a text or piece of writing without losing its meaning. Example, the novel was abridged for the movie adaptation. Abbreviate, to shorten a word or phrase. Example, DR is an abbreviation for doctor. Trim, to reduce or remove excess. Example, she had to trim her essay to fit within the word limit. Concise, giving information clearly and in a few words. Example, his concise explanation made the topic easy to understand. Brief, short in duration or length. Example, the meeting was brief, lasting only 20 minutes. Laconic, using very few words, often to the point of being abrupt. Example, his laconic response to the question left everyone speechless. Category 3. Summarizing and condensing. Synopsis, a brief summary of something, such as a book or film. Example, the synopsis of the movie gave away all the main plot points. Abstract, a brief summary of the main points of a larger work, like a research paper. Example, the abstract of the study gave a quick overview of the results. Pithy, brief and full of meaning, often cleverly expressed. Example, her pithy remarks always left the room thinking. Succinct, expressed in a clear and concise manner. Example, the instructions were succinct and easy to follow. Category 4. Explaining and supporting. Account for, to explain or justify the reason for something. Example, can you account for your actions during the meeting? Justify, to provide a valid reason or explanation for something. Example, she justified her decision by explaining the risks involved. Rationalize, to attempt to explain or justify behavior with logical reasons, even if they are not the true reasons. Example, he tried to rationalize his mistake by blaming the weather. Rationale, the underlying reason or logic behind a decision or action. Example, the rationale behind the policy change was to reduce costs. Category 5. Validity and credibility. Tenable, capable of being defended or justified, especially in terms of an argument or position. Example, the theory is tenable and supported by evidence. Category 6. Responsibility and obligations. Burden, a heavy responsibility or duty. Example, the burden of managing the team fell on her shoulders. Liability, a legal responsibility, especially regarding financial debts or actions. Example, the company faced liabilities after the product recall. To be under obligation to repay money or a favor. Example, I owe you an apology for my earlier behavior. Lend, to give something to someone temporarily, with the expectation of it being returned. Example, can you lend me your notes for tomorrow's exam? Debt, money that is owed to someone or something. Example, he worked hard to pay off his student debt after graduation. Question: which word do you think will be the most useful in your daily life? Comment below with your thoughts. Subscribe for daily vocabulary lessons and keep learning with us.